Types of sentences quiz. Introduction. In the following video, you will read a sentence to determine if it is a statement, command, exclamation, or question. Please give me the pencil. Please give me the pencil. Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie? I love that cat so much. I love that cat so much. That is a red and white ball. That is a red and white ball. Can I play soccer with you? It is snowing outside. It is snowing outside. Please stand over there. Please stand over there. She is holding a little doll. She is holding a little doll. Do you like this video? Do like, share and comment.